Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious burrito rice. First, select a good quality long-grain white rice as it holds its shape well. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch and prevents stickiness. Next, prepare your liquid, typically chicken or vegetable broth, and have your seasonings ready for a flavorful base. Achieving the perfect texture is key. Combine 2 cups of liquid like chicken broth with 1 cup of rinsed rice in a pot. Bring the liquid to a rolling boil, then stir in your rice. Immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer undisturbed for about 15 minutes. This gentle cooking ensures fluffy grains. Once cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, covered, for 5 minutes. Then, gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains. Now for the signature burrito rice flavor. Stir in the juice of 1 fresh lime and a generous handful of chopped cilantro. A small amount of oil and a pinch of salt will enhance the taste and give it a lovely sheen. Your homemade burrito rice is now ready to enjoy. It makes an excellent base for your favorite burritos, bowls, or tacos. You can also serve it as a vibrant and tasty side dish with grilled chicken or fish. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, and it reheats beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.